pick up this silver 2005 Jaguar X-Type, available today at JT's Kia. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 61,014 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer at 803-509-5555 and get behind the wheel today.